What is up, weather enthusiasts? I'm your host, Pat's Path Predictor. Let's get right into the weather. Alright, so this is the situation we have right here. And ladies and gentlemen, this is now potential tropical cyclone 4 we have out here in the Gulf of Mexico right here. Repeating, potential tropical cyclone 4 has been designated by the National Hurricane Center, and now we have our first ever advisory for it. We have tropical storm warnings for the Gulf Coast of Mexico from Boca de Raton northward to the mouth of the Rio Grande River, and in the lower Texas coast from Port Mansfield to the mouth of the Rio Grande. So this is a map right here. This is the tropical storm warnings that have been issued. We're going to go ahead and take a look at this advisory real quickly. Currently has maximum sustained winds of 35 miles per hour with higher gusts. Slow strengthening is expected through landfall, and the disturbance is forecast to become a tropical storm tonight or Saturday. Formation chance is now 80%, so the chances of tropical cyclone formation are increasing every hour, ladies and gentlemen. It was at 60 this morning, now 70, and then 80. So that's basically what we're looking at right here. The pressure is down to 1,009 millibars. It was measured by the hurricane hunters, who are, by the way, still in as we speak right here. They're still continuing to get data. The strongest quadrant was, as of course, in the northeastern quadrant. So we're going to have to continue to wait and get some more data as they continue to find more things. And I hope we get more aircraft out into this system as time continues to go on. With that being said, let's go ahead and remind everyone, we are about to, if we haven't already, we're about to enter 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degree Fahrenheit water right here. And that is the warmest in the whole entire Atlantic Ocean we're about to enter, ladies and gentlemen. And considering how fast this thing's organizing, we could potentially see potentially up to a 60 mile per hour tropical storm. Not ruling that out, but it is possible considering how fast this thing's organizing. And if this thing is officially designated a tropical system, then we'll have to continue to pay even more attention. But with that being said, we're going to have to continue to take a look at it. The wind shear, as usual, we're looking at 10 to 15 knots at this time right here. So once again, very favorable conditions. It's going to be like that all the way until it makes landfall. So yeah, we're going to have to pay attention once again to this. I know I keep saying like a broken record, but it kind of shows the seriousness of the situation. We're going to go ahead and once again show you guys the track models right here. Track models have this making landfall in northeastern Mexico right here, about 50 miles away from the Mexico-Texas border right here, which means that parts of Texas could see some impacts from this. In fact, the NHC has kind of considered this, and that's why they issued the tropical storm warnings for parts of that. So this is something we need to take a look at, and this is something that everyone needs to take seriously going forth. And the intensity models, we have some models going up to tropical storm strength right here. We have a couple kind of resurging like down the road, a few days down the road, but that's not going to happen, of course. So yeah, my guess is that we're looking at a potential 50 to 60 mile per hour tropical storm making landfall in northeastern Mexico right here. That is my official estimate right now. But right now is right now, and anything can happen at this point. Remember Bonnie, we had it expecting to make landfall as a hurricane in Nicaragua. However, there was a bunch of infighting that was going on in the system. That's why it didn't really develop until it made landfall in Nicaragua about 12 hours beforehand. So considering that this thing doesn't have a closed circulation just yet, but we're starting to get there, the next 6 hours are critical. If we get a tropical system in the next 6 hours, and we'll have an intermediate advisory at 7 p.m. To see if it does or not, then we could see potential strengthening, and this could be very robust as a result. So if it doesn't strengthen or have that close circulation in the next 6 hours, we're going to have to wait and see what happens at this point. But with that being said, we're going to go ahead and wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new. It helps me out and helps me make more videos like these. The goal of this channel is to get more people engaged with weather. But with that being said, guys, have a wonderful day. I'll continue to update you guys here on the Pat's Path Predictor channel. Follow me on Twitter and stay safe.